wakati mtu anaelekea office center, lazima kuwe kwamba tulipe ofisi, bookkeeping, tununue vitabu, wengine wapate kula hapo. Are you seeing that? Well, I want the same. I must be hands-on. Niambie, wewe pesa leo. I'm not an expert like you, sir.
Thank you, Excellency. This money is to enable
to
pay rent for the first 6 months. It is to enable them hire a bookkeeper and pay his or her salary for 6 months. It is to enable them to purchase office furniture and computers, printers, and also to install a software that will run the SACCO issue, the loans, the savings, and everything. And then a small amount actually, I think it's about 130,000, is what has been put aside for further recruitment of members. And here, they are required to have barazas, meetings, and to go to the CITs that are affiliated to the SACCOs. And the officials have agreed that for them to earn one lunch, lazima wao wamesajili mtu watu watatu ambao wamelipa registration and minimum shareholding ya shilingi 500. So that is the starting point.
Kwa hivyo tusikizane. Bila anasema for 100 and what from the organization?
About
130. Every 1,000 must be, is it 1,000 must be out of the members and more.
Lunch moja wanalipo 500.
Lunch moja.
Yes, for an official. So akileta watu watatu ambao wamelipa minimum registration in 200.
That's okay. Yes. I'm playing with your body. It is 130,000 divided by 500 to get out the members a group must have. Yes. Now you have an example. 130,000 divided by 500 shillings. 100, 216 times 3, because they say an illegal will have to bring 3 people. 700. If that group does not raise that 700, you don't give them 130. Is that the case?
Yes. We don't authorize. When the money is transferred into the account, but for every transaction, the bank has been instructed they have to come for authorization from myself and the chief officer.
Thank you.
So we will not authorize them to be paid lunch until we see the new members in the system and how much they are contributing.
You see that? Members who have to be recruited, 3 of them, they must pay a certain amount to be members, and that one guarantees them to be members. And this individual who has recruited them to get 500 shillings for 3 people. And you know what they stand for. How many groups? 18. If you get 18 times 700 and what will be public? 14,000. 14,040. The day I want farmers from those groups, 18 of them, I'll get 14,000 people seated here. Do you want it? Because unless we do that, our now my soul. E chi è grativo che quando poi vuole che